गाइज मैं एक रिक्वेस्ट करना चाहता हूँ आप लोगों से, प्लीज इफ यू लाइक माई वीडियोज देन डेफिनेटली लाइक कर दिया करो एंड सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल एंड कमेंट कर दिया करो कि कैसा है वीडियो और किस टॉपिक में मुझे वीडियोस बनाना है। बिकॉज मैं बहुत सारी वीडियोस अपलोड कर चुका हूँ, बहुत ही कम व्यूज आते हैं, बहुत ही कम लाइक्स आते हैं, बहुत ही कम गाइज, 1-2 लाइक्स आते हैं। प्लीज कमेंट कर दिया करो सो दैट आई कैन हैव सम काइंड ऑफ मोटिवेशन। आई एम आस्किंग फॉर फॉरगिवनेस if I make mistakes. I know I make many mistakes and I have been improving this language and I want to improve myself. Ask about how much time do I have to give every day for learning this language. So in this video I'm going to tell everything about learning process, how much time do you have to give every day for learning English faster. So guys, frankly speaking, when I started learning English, I used to give lots of time for learning this language because I had that kind of motivation to learn faster. If you will you will learn this language very soon. And guys, there is no shortcut of hard work. You will have to do hard work for learning anything. If you are going to do something, if you are going to achieve something very new, you will have to do something very new. So guys, this is a very interesting quote. You will have to follow this quote कि आपने जो आप कोई भी नई चीज अचीव करने का सोच रहे हैं, कोई नया पाना चाहते हैं, तो आपको कुछ नया ही करना पड़ेगा. सो गाइज, इफ यू वांट टू लर्न दिस लैंग्वेज, इफ यू वांट टू improve your communication skills, so you will have to get out from your comfort zone. You will have to do hard work. You will have to, if you want to learn, if you want to improve your English language, you will have to speak, otherwise you cannot learn. So for speaking, you will already should have enough knowledge about that. You should already have learned so many things about this. So for learning, you will have to do hard work. You will have to do practice. You will have to learn so many things every day. So guys, frankly speaking, I am telling here, guys, when I started learning this language, when I was beginner, I always used to think whatever the things I have in my mind, I just have to speak. I just used to think, what can I speak now? What can I speak now? मतलब इस तरीके से मैं सोचता था कि अब मैं क्या बोल सकता हूँ. माइंड में हमेशा ये चलता रहता था. ऑलवेज आई यूज्ड टू थिंक दैट व्हाट कैन आई स्पीक नाउ एंड आफ्टर दैट हाउ टू स्पीक. सो आई यूज्ड टू रिमेम्बर द थिंग्स. आई यूज्ड टू रिमेम्बर द हिंदी sentences and after that I used to make the translation of those Hindi sentences, and after that I used to think about when I will be speaking in front of the guys, they will make fun of me, so I just have to speak like this so that they can not make my fun. तो मैं अपने माइंड में ये सोचता था कि मैं इस तरीके से बोलूं कि गलत ना हो और मेरा कोई मजाक ना उड़ाए. तो इसके लिए मैं पहले से ही थोड़ा बहुत सोच लेता था माइंड में कि अब मैं बोलूंगा. तो I just used to feel some kind of hesitation and my heartbeat used to start while speaking very fastly. So this is just a process. You will have to pass this process, guys. Believe me, you will have to give a lot of time for learning this language. Every day you will have to be in this language. You will have to be in this language. You will have to surround yourself in this language. Otherwise, it will be taking lots of time for you to learn this language, because this is a language for Hindi. If we are talking about Hindi language, it took a lot of time to speak. When we were kid, it took at least 3 to 4 years when we were able to speak little bit. But we were kid, so it took a lot of time. But now we are not kid. We are adult, or we are teenage guys, and we can learn faster. So at least you will have to give enough time for learning this language. So every day you will have to give at least, actually it is not only about 1 hour or 2 hour. You will have to be in this process for full day, complete day. You will have to think about only in English language. मतलब आपको if you are talking everything in Hindi language, so it is going to be tough. it is going to be tougher. Guys, you will have to learn everything in English language every day. You will have to practice from morning to night. At least you have to, whatever the things you can do, you just have to speak only in English language. And you can talk to your mom. Your moms are not like that कि आपका मजाक उड़ाएंगी. They will never make fun of you. They will never try to make fun of you. If you will try to speak in front of your mom, they can if they are not able to understand, it doesn't matter for them, for your mom. You can talk to mom. It doesn't matter that she is not understanding your language. You are just learning. You just have to learn. This is the main this should be the main idea of yours, because you just have to learn this language. It doesn't matter that people are understanding or not. After some days they will also enjoy with you. They will also say that you are speaking very well. So guys, this is what I want to talk about in this video. Without practicing, you cannot think about learning this language. You will have to learn a lot every day. You will have to practice. If you are not practicing, it will be a lot more tougher than usually. You will have to go through, and it is an enjoyable process. If you will do it every day, you will not only enjoy the process, you will learn faster than usual. So guys, learn English every day and try to speak more than you learn, guys, because without speaking you cannot think about that we are learning something. You will only have knowledge about English language, and you will not be able to speak well without speaking. So for speaking, I have told some tips that you can speak in front of the mirror. Mirror technique is very helpful for everybody, every beginner. So you can use mirror for talking. You can talk to yourself, you can talk to the wall. It is going to be very easier to learn this language, and it is mirror is not something that can make fun of you. You can talk to the mirror. You can write your diary. It is going to be helping in many ways, guys. You can write your diary, because when we are writing something, we are just thinking about the sentences, we are thinking about the vocabs, we are just thinking in our mind every pronunciation of the words. So this is going to be very, very helpful. So guys, this video is totally about that you just have to learn. You will have to get out. You will have to get out from your comfort zone. Otherwise, it will be very tough to learn in this language. You will have to be totally in this language every day. You will have to think about sote nahate khate. You will have to think about this. Ki what can I speak? What can I think about this language? If you will be in this language all the time, it will be very easy to learn faster. It will be very easy. For this, you will definitely have some kind of motivation to learn this language. If you have the motivation, you will definitely be having the confidence to speak in front of them, because you will always be thinking that you will always be amazing that scene when you will be able to speak very well in front of every guys. So if you are amazing, if you are making the imagination like this, so you are going to learn this language very soon, because we have to think about that. Now after 3 months, when I will be able to speak well, so people will look at me, they will proud of me that I am able to speak very well. So these kinds of imagination you definitely have to think in your mind. If you are thinking like this, so you will definitely be learning this language. You will definitely be having some kind of motivation to learn. If you have the motivation, you will definitely be having confidence to speak in front of anyone. If you will speak, you will learn this language very faster, and very soon, at least in just 1 month, you will be able to speak very well, so that you can speak in front of anyone. So you will have that kind of confidence. After that, you will definitely be speaking in front of anyone. You will not hesitate you will not be fumbling in front of anyone. You will definitely be speaking very well English. So this is what I wanted to talk about, and this is what I wanted to clarify, that everybody thinks that if we are giving at least 2 hours, so we can learn this language very soon. So this is not going to be help rather ways. It can help only to gain some kind of knowledge about English language, but you cannot learn very easily. You cannot learn faster. If you want to learn faster, you'll have to be in this language for all the times. Sote khate nahate, you will have to think about this. You will have to do it, and you just have to speak, come what may. चाहे जो भी हो जाए, you have to speak. आपको बोलना ही है. Okay, तो if you like this video, please like कर देना and subscribe to my channel so that I can have some kind of motivation to make my videos. And if you like my videos, then definitely it is going to be helping me a lot, guys. And share to all your friends and comment on my videos. How is the video, and on what topic do I have to make videos? Do I have to make another videos? I will be making on that topic, which you guys will be telling me to make my videos. Okay, have a good day. We'll meet another video. Bye bye.